Hey, what's up guys? I want to show you another drum set that I got. This time around, it's a kind of a mix of drums. The previous owner took a few different types of drums and had them wrapped to match. We've got a Pearl reference 22 by 18 inch bass drum, a Pearl reference 16 by 16 inch floor tom, and then we've got a Thomas Star Classic Performer Birch 10 by 8 inch tom, and then a Thomas Star Classic Birch Babinga Performer 12 by 9 inch tom. So I'm going to show the process I go through to get these all cleaned up, but afterwards I'm going to focus on the two Pearl reference drums for recording. So stick around. Alright, so the wrap came off really easy. Luckily, underneath, the finish looks great. It's called Shimmer of Oz if you're wondering. Unfortunately, between this and the floor tom, I only have one original Pearl badge for the reference series. And I can't find another one available for sale on eBay or Reverb. And then when I reached out to Pearl directly, they basically told me that under no circumstances do they sell badges. So we're going to have to kind of work with what we have. So I'm going to take the badge that's glued to the wrap on the outside of the floor tom and put it on the bass drum. And then I'll 3D print some kind of solution for the floor tom. So stick around, we'll get that figured out. Alright guys, so here is the result. Basically I 3D printed the part you saw, and then I printed out the Pearl drum badge on some thick glossy paper. I put contact paper over that and then glued all of it to the 3D printed part. So I mean, it's pretty close. It's obviously fake when you get up close to it, but the idea is just so that it looks like it has a badge from a distance. And then there is the real badge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or like me on Facebook, where I'll be posting more of these. Thanks so much. Stay tuned. Goodbye.